Welcome! Today I am with REALME C31 and I'm going to show you a couple camera tricks. So the first, we are going to start from the standard photo mode, and as you can see, when we are here and when we tap on the screen, we can quickly change the brightness level by moving this sun icon to the right or to the left. And as you can see, we can decrease and increase brightness level. To adjust automatically, just tap on the screen once, and as you can see, the brightness has changed. Okay, so right now I'm going to show you hidden feature. It's linked with the volume buttons that you can find right here. So when you click volume up on volume down, you can just simply take photo. Take a look. So volume buttons works like the shutter that we can find right here in this place. When you open the more modes, right here you can find filters. We can find a couple of the presets. As you can see, we can change them by tapping on each preview. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, that's 8, 9 different filters. So if you want to take photo, for example, with this one, just click on it once and then tap on the shutter. And as you can see, after the post-processing, the photo was taken and looks like that. If you want to turn off this option, just click on the X in this place. As you can see right now, we go back to the normal standard mode. When you're here, we can also add delay to our shutter. Oh, I mean the delay we can add actually right here. So let's go for the settings. And the delay will be located in this place. It's countdown duration, so we can select between 3 or 10 seconds. You can decide which one you want to pick. Let's select, for example, 3 seconds. Let's tap on the shutter, and as you can see, after this time the photo will be taken. Okay, let's go back, and right now let's turn off this option because we can focus on another one and it will be at the bottom. So we have to scroll down a little bit, and that's the composition line. Actually, it's the grid lines I can recommend you to turn on, and as you can see right now, these lines, they are right here. They appears on the screen and they help us to take better composition of the photo. So for example, when we try to get this old phone in the middle, with these lines we can make it definitely easier. So let's focus, let's tap on the shutter, and there it is. And that's how it looks. Okay, let's go back for the settings in our time, because we can find other useful option in this place. So we can find option called touching photograph, and it works like that you have to hold your phone and then just simply click on the screen. And you can also take photo, as you can see, just like that. So it's useful when you cannot reach this bottom shutter, when you have small hands or you cannot use the second hand, just like that. Okay, let's deactivate this feature, and we can focus on the last option. It's a volume key function. As you can see, we can use them as a shutter, as I show you, but we can also use as a zoom. So right now, when you click volume up button, you can smoothly zoom in to the 4 times and zoom out with the volume down button. As you can see, it works very smooth. That's a great feature. And if you want to use your zoom in the different way, you can make it also by tapping on this 1x, holding, and then you can move like that with your finger. And for sure, you can still pinch screen to use it. So you can decide which way of zooming you can use. Okay, and actually that's all for this smartphone. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.